All right, so we have our biographical table and we have our data, which I just made up, all right, including the drop-down menu. One thing we do need to do is format all of this as a table as well. So let's go back to home. We're going to format it as a table, all right. So now we have our information, and then what you would do if you wanted to add more information to it is you would just tab it down, and 10021 tab, put in the date. It looks like we're in the future here, so we'll just drag this date down again. The drop down should have come with it. I wonder why it didn't. That's interesting. Hold on, do we not have the drop down here? Hold on. Okay, so you know what happened is when I copied these over, I got rid of the drop down. So let's fix that really quick. So we'll go to data, data validation. We want a list. The source of the list is going to be right here, okay? And actually, let's escape. I'm going to cancel this. I'm just going to put that down here just to make it easier. So we'll delete this. Data validation, list, and the source of the list is going to be right there, okay? Okay, yeah, and there we go. All right, so then talk to parent, comment D, then tab, and then we can go in and 10030, let's go to December 8th. All right, just drag it down, just make it easier. And then the drop down pops in, and the comment would be, I don't know why. Okay, so now we have it. Okay, so in order to link these tables, there's a bunch of different ways to do it, but there's a new add-in to Excel that makes it a lot easier to do. But we have to turn it on. So what we need to do is go to File, down to Account. Down to Options. File and then Options. Let's do this again. File, Options. Then you want to go to Add-ins. And then down the bottom here where it says Manage, you want to go to COM Add-ins. All right? Then click Go. Okay, so let's do this one more time. File, Options, Add-ins. Then down the bottom, COM Add-ins, and click Go. And you can just check all three of these. You should have Inquire, PowerPivot, and PowerView. And then click OK, and you notice Inquire and PowerPivot have popped up. All right. And in the next video, I will show you how to use PowerPivot to link the ID numbers with the ID numbers over here, so you can create what's known as a pivot table.